Hi everyone, welcome to the channel Thegsmsolution. Today in this video, we are going to show you how you can improve your iPhone signal strength, the carrier signal or cellular network signal. This is iPhone 7. Here you can see the signal strength is low. If you are far from carrier network, then try this once. Go to Setting, tap on Mobile, tap on Cellular Network, turn off automatically. It switches to Manual Network Selection process. This will search the available carrier list, which are available near of you. Now you can see after the manual process is complete and select the network, then the network bar is full. This process is forcefully network searching process. So if you go another place, then you again to do that manual process. This is one of the best method to increase the network signal strength on iPhone. Sometimes this process also not works or sometimes shows no service. Then what can you do in that cases? If you got no service after inserting the working SIM, go to Setting, go to General, tap on About, scroll down. Here you can see modem firmware and IMEI is OK. The second you have to check is go to dial pad and type *#06#. Here also must have IMEI shown. If on the About section the IMEI and modem firmware not shown or on *#06# IMEI not shown, there must be hardware issues. Check ons by turning off airplane mode and turn it on. In my cases, both have IMEI, means there is no problem with motherboard. How you can boost your network signal strength? There must be antenna loose contact makes signal strength low or weak. Make sure that the antenna is connected properly. The second process, go to Setting, if you have any query about the video, feel free to comment below. We will respond to your comment as fast as possible. If you get even a little bit of value from this, then do like to share this video. Subscribe to support us. Go to Cellular, go to Cellular Data option, go to Voice and Data. Here you can see different network mode, LTE, 3G and 2G mode. You can try by changing the network mode. If that place 4G not working properly but 3G and 2G works. If the network bar is low, then try 3G. If both of them has low, then try 2G, on which the network bar with full signal and strength. Hope this will help you in important time and make your day. Hello everyone, this is Akash from the GSM Solution and peace out till the next time.